Welcome to the Carvala, your one-stop destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Renault Kardian, a compact SUV designed to revolutionize its segment. Stay tuned as we uncover its design, features, performance, and why it could be your next dream ride. I'm even more enthralled than before, looking at the world through a hardy scope of purple ripples on the screen. See, we're still back at First Cat Canal State. The 2025 Renault Kardian is more than just a compact SUV. It's a statement of style and innovation. With its bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and muscular side profile, the Kardian combines sophistication and strength effortlessly. And those sleek alloy wheels, they scream adventure. It cut to a slow pan of the rear design, emphasizing the taillights and logo. At the back, you'll find C-shaped LED taillights and a modernized Renault badge, completing a look that's both futuristic and elegant. Perfect for city streets or mountain trails. Please stop watch. Step inside the Kardian, and you're greeted by a spacious and tech-savvy cabin. Renault has pulled out all the stops with premium materials and smart design. From its ergonomic seating to the ambient lighting, it's a space you'll never want to leave. 5. The Kardian comes equipped with a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital driver's display provides all the information you need at a glance, while advanced voice commands make every drive seamless. What's possible for an exercise bike in cardiovascular fitness? Now let's talk performance. The 2025 Kardian is powered by a turbocharged 1.2L engine, delivering a punchy 130-watt power. Paired with a smooth 7-speed automatic gearbox, this SUV offers the perfect balance of power and efficiency. Please cut the off-road shots showcasing the Kardian's suspension and ground clearance. Thanks to its rugged suspension and impressive 200 hum ground clearance, the Kardian isn't just a city dweller. It's built to handle rough terrains too. Whether it's a weekend getaway or your daily commute, this SUV is ready for the challenge. Safety is at the core of the Kardian's design. With 6 airbags, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera, you and your loved ones are always protected. It's not just smart, it's safe. Cut to a family loading up the Kardian's trunk. Plus, with 500 liters of boot space, there's plenty of room for everything from groceries to camping gear. Practicality? Check. So, what's the price tag for all this goodness? The Renault Kardian is expected to start at an affordable $25,000, making it a steal for anyone looking for a stylish, versatile, and reliable compact SUV. Please speak to the closing driving into the sunset. Renault has truly redefined the compact SUV game with the 2025 Kardian. What do you think? Could this be your next ride? Let us know in the comments below. Close the Cava Veago logo animation with upbeat background music. Thanks for watching the Car Vault. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing car content. See you in the next one.